Okay, so hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amaze. Yeah, so I'm going to be giving a quick breakdown on the dollar index. Yes, this is the dollar index. If you look very dollar index. Yes, and this is the 6-month time frame of the dollar index. As we all know, the dollar is one of the major pair or the major currency that moves the entire market. The strength of the dollar determines the movement of so many currencies in the market. So it is very essential as a trader that you know the direction of the dollar index so as you'll be able to capitalize or you'll be able to make use of it to trade other pairs that correlate with the dollar. Yes, so first of all, I'm going to be analyzing this dollar just to see the direction of the dollar. Why? Because I trade pairs like the GBP USD, the Euro USD, the USD card, most USD pairs. Yes, it is very important for you to know what the dollar is doing. So first of all, like we all know, before we start doing anything in the market, the first thing I need to do is I need to go to my higher time frame. Yeah. Why? Because the higher time frame, like I usually said in my subsequent videos, give a clear direction of where the market is going to. Yeah, if you want to get the direction, that is the trend of the market, maximizing the higher time frame will be a very good choice. So in this particular video, I'm going to be starting my strategy with, first of all, understanding the trend, like to find out the trend of the particular market. And this is the only way I do that, by marking out this way. So I'm going to be starting from here. Market went like this, came down here, it went like this, market went like this, came down here, pulled back up here, came back down here, pulled back up here, came back down here, then boom, we got a breakout here, came back down here, came back up here, then formed a double bottom, then boom, we got a break here, it came back down here, pulled back up here, and came back down here. So this is the current place that the price is currently in the dollar index. Yes, this is this is the last level I'm going to analyze. So with the look of this market, you will realize that the market has really been on an uptrend. Why? Because it has not broken any level of support yet. Yes, so no level of support that has been broken in this place. The market keep creating higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Yes, but if you observe something at this peak here, I'm possibly seeing this market creating a pattern right here. Yeah, if you observe what the market did here, came here, boom, pulled back here, give a neckline, pull back up here, boom. You understand what I'm trying to say? Why? Because I create chart patterns. I'm seeing a double top at this place, which this particular dollar index might actually be going down from here. So there is a retest at this level, at this zone here. So I'm expecting a break of this level. Yes, I'll be expecting a break of this particular level. Why? Because price is currently at the neckline, here. So another confirmation that this dollar index is about to go on a reversal of back to the downside is this particular candles you see here. If you observe, this is a very big bearish candle. Yes, very big bearish candle combined with this hammer here. Yes, if you observe, you will see this hammer candle here. I trade hammer candlesticks too very well. You see this hammer candle here, and price did not break this level here. So price just came, retest back here, broke down. So price is about to fill back this neckline level here. Then we'll expect a breakdown to this level. Yes, then we expect a breakdown to this level. So if price should break this zone, if price should break zone 9.7, 97.122, 95.228, we'll be saying that like presently the dollar index is actually going down. So you know that I do top down analysis. Yes, one of the analysis I do very well is top down analysis. So from 6 months now, we are going to go down all the way to 1 month to see if we can see a clear confirmation that this particular pair is actually going down. Yeah. So as we can see now, I don't think there is any signal yet that signifies this particular pair is going to go down. So let's go to the daily time frame. Maybe we might see something. Okay, in the daily time frame, I think I'm seeing something interesting here. I'm seeing something interesting here in the daily time frame. I'm seeing a break of structure. Yes, let me see what my RSI indicator is actually saying, because I use the RSI indicator also for my analysis. There's the RSI indicator in the daily time frame. Let's see if we are seeing a divergence. Yes, the RSI indicator is currently giving us a divergence on the daily time frame. Yes, I'm seeing a divergence here. This is what I'm talking about. This is the divergence I'm seeing here. Price currently going high, and this is the divergence I'm seeing here. Yeah, this is the divergence I'm seeing. This is the divergence I'm seeing, which indicates a sell right now. So at this level now, if I am to enter this market, because I'm particularly seeing a confirmation, yes, and you see coupled with some break of structure in the daily time frame. Yes, if you observe with me, you will see that there is a break of structure. Yes, there's a break of structure at this level here. Yes, there's a break of structure at this level here. There's a break of structure at this level here. Price came up here, pull back down here, came up here, pull back down here. Price retest a bit here, and we expect it to go down. Boom. So in this trade, if I will be executing this trade, like I said, I'm just literally using the dollar index to give me direction in other pairs that I'm about to look into. I remember we already have a current position that is running in the USD card. I think I entered a sell in USD card 2 to 3 days back, and presently is still running in profit. Yeah. Why? Because I also confirmed a sell from that axis. So my stop loss is going to be somewhere there. And if I'm going to be going down, I'm going to be taking my profit all the way down here. Yes, let's say all the way down here. Yes, all the way down here. So guys, we are going to be waiting to see what this particular trade is doing. Now the risk reward is 1:3, 1:3 in this particular trade. So we are going to wait and see what this particular pair becomes. So guys, if you find this video very enlightening, please make sure you like, comment and share, as I'll be subscribed, as I'll be dropping more content on my particular strategies and the particular pairs I'm looking out to. You will follow. Thank you so much for staying around. Peace and out.